Morning guys, and welcome to Bryce Canyon here in Utah. Yo, this place is going to be amazing. Definitely got that recording on the GoPro Max, so 360, so we can see a lot more. And oh yeah, we're gonna spend a good amount of time here, and we're gonna have loads of fun. I haven't been here since like 2014, 2015, but yeah, I'm pretty pumped. Last time I was here, my photography skills and knowledge was a lot less, so we're gonna take full advantage using the tripod, get some HDR photos, and pretty much just have a blast. So let's go. So we came to our first stop. It's a nice, really nice overlook on Bryce Canyon. We're going to be doing an HDR photograph. So we're going to be getting our shadows, our mids, and our highlights. 3 different exposures. My shutter is going to be changing quite a bit, but my aperture is at f14. And my ISO is low, so it's about 50. The reason why it's a high aperture is because in the composition is the sun right here, which is so nice right now. It's nice and warm on a cold breeze. That's going to be in the picture, but since it's at f14, I'm trying to have the sun like a burst in a star kind of formation, really. And it looks pretty good. I was overlooking of the photographs I just took. So the composition is really just the right on the edge of this cliff right here, and then that's the bottom of the frame, and then the top of the frame is actually a little bit above the sun, so we could get that in the photo as well. And I already got my pre-focus down, so my focus is about like infinity because how far everything is at. Everything is gorgeous up here. Really great colors. A little bit spots of green along through the park, but I'm pretty stoked about this. So let's go ahead and take that photo. So the first one, we are going to be at -2. That's good. And then the next one is going to be right in the middle, so it's going to be a little bit slower shutter. Perfect. And then the last exposure is going to be +2, and that one's going to be a little bit longer, 1/15 of a second. Whew. Okay, we jumped to f16 because f16 looks a lot better for that sun. So I think all these spots are going to be relatively quick with everything, enough to get the photo and then continue on our trek down below, because I got the family with me and we're going down to what was it, Queens Trail, which is awesome. So I'm gonna put everything away and let's continue. Let's go. so we ended up just coming back from a small little section. Had a bunch of layers, and I had the sun right above the hoodoos, and it looks amazing. So I will show that photo here. Dang, what are you doing? Okay, we'll take a photo. But there's a nice little entrance coming up around the corner. Oh, yeah. So you're just going right through the structure. Oh crap. I win! So we ended up kind of stopping at the tunnel that we ended up going through and taking a photo. Unfortunately, we didn't have enough time to do video because of how much traffic there is. But I feel like a lot of places are going to be like this, where I don't have enough time to record, but enough time to kind of grab a quick photo like the one that we're gonna go in now. This time I don't have to duck under. But just alright, let's continue the trek. Let's go. I know it's midday kind of lighting, but I ended up doing HDR, so we get pretty much highlights, mids, and your shadows under control. But I appreciate you guys taking the time and watching this video. So I just wanted to bring you guys along the adventure and, you know, capture some images and show you guys, and hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. All right, so that's it for the time being. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, you know what to do. Hit that like button. Yes. And if you want to see more of the videos that I produce, go ahead and hit that subscribe button too. Got it. But you guys are awesome. Stay awesome, and until then, I will see you all in the next video. See ya.